Alright, hell yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn almost 991 logarithms in under 10 minutes. First thing you do is just do 1 through 10. Here you go. I like to do it over here just because it's out of the way. Okay, hell yeah. Log of 1. And we're doing log base 10 of 1 if you didn't catch on. Log base 10 of 10. Alright, so this is just 0. This is just 1. Okay, and then we're going to do this. This is the 30, 15, 15, 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5. You know, you can remember that. That's the secret sauce. So, you know what I mean? Just write these numbers first. But anyway, you don't really have to because you're just going to go 0.3. And then you're going to go 0.45. And you're going to go 0.6. See how we're just going 0.3? You know what I mean? 30%. 15. It's not even percent. I don't even know why I'm saying that. But anyway, 0.7, 0.8, and then now you do the 0.85, 0.9, 0.95, and then here's your other little jump up. Okay, so now we're doing it for real. Now this is the first 10 digits to 3 decimal places. Amazing, right? And so we're going to go 0 and 1. You know what I mean? This is 0.3. Well, guess what? It's 0.301. That's the first thing you need to remember. But then that gives you 2 others. Because now this is 0.602. Oh, you see a pattern? Go down to here, number 8. This is 0.903. Alright, booyah. Now let's just do right in the middle. Well, what the hell? It's 0.7? No, it's 0.69. And add another 9 because you're a G. Alright, so, and then what? What else next? Oh, we're going to do the 4. So this is 0.95, but just throw a 4 in there. You know what I mean? And this 4 will pop up later for helping us memorize. But then there's another 4. It's right here. This is going to be 0.8. But now where do we put the 4? You put it in front. So you know what I mean? These are just kind of mirror images. Alright, booyah. Let's move it on. These are the hardest 2. You should do them last. We got 0.8. Well, it's 007. And then 8. And then that's going to make this make sense because this one isn't 0.45, it's 0.477. And booyah, you got log 1 through 10. And look at this, you know what I mean? Again, flip-flopped. Flip-flopped. You know what I mean? Okay, perfect. Now, this will probably be just enough for you. But you know what I mean? You can't do log of 12. Someone wants log base 10 of 12. Well, what the heck's that? Well, you should know from your logarithms that this is just log base 10 of 10 plus log base 10 of 1.2. You know that's how you get it. That's why this is just 1. That's why 1 plus log of 1.2. So really, right here, when you got something like this, you're really just trying to figure out what the log of 1.2 is. Well, that's where we're going to go next. We have 100 of these because we got 1. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So yeah, what's all the ones between 1 and 2? You know what I mean? 1.92.0. So how do we do that? Well, here's the memorization trick. First thing you're going to write is 0.004. Now, why would you write that? I don't know. Just because 4 is down here, maybe? Who knows? But go 0.004 and then 0.005. And you're just going to have to remember that there's 3 of these. Alright, and this is the 9s block. And now you're going to write 0.005. Hey, this is the 8s block and asterisk, because they're all. They're literally all 0.005. Okay, but now we're going to go we got more 0.005s. We got a lot of them. But now you're going to go 0.006. And this is the 7s. So we need a little bit more information now. So what we do is we write 3, 19, 11. You know, that might not make sense. But 9, 7, 5. And guess what? There's 2 of these. 3, guess what? There's 2 of those. Maybe there's 3. I don't even know. And then there's skip, asterisk 21. And then line, skip, holy Toledo. And then we got 1s, 2s, and 3s. We've got 2 of these, and then we've got 3 of those, and then 3 of those. So that's it. I mean, if you can hit this starting point right here, and then just kind of memorize this column, because what the hell is this column? Well, this is 0.004, and then you just keep going. 0.005, you know what I mean, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I think this is 13. You know, I think there's 3 of these, but we'll get there in a second. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you balance back and forth so you can memorize this stuff. Okay, so guess what? There's 19 5s. So we did, there's 7 here, because there's going to be 10 in each column. You know what I mean? Each column of this has 10 different values. Alright, booyah. And so we have 10, 7, and we had 19 of these. So we got 2 right here. We have 8 right here because, like I said, we got a column of 10. Alright, now we're going to go to the 6s. 0.00, well, we have more of these. And then 0.005. So how many 0.006s we have? We had 11. So you add 3 there, and whoa, and I'm going the wrong direction. This should be 0.007. So 7 of those. I'm sure we got more of those. I think we have 9. So yeah, we do. We have 9 of those and 0.008. And we only have 7 of these. It's another one to remember. This is 6. This is 5. Put another asterisk because 8 and 5. See, 8 and 5? Look at this. 8 and 5. 5 and 8. And, but there's just a lot of them. You know what I mean? A lot. And then, whoa, there's a lot. There's 19 of those. But anyway, there's just a lot in this column. But then there's 009, and there's going to be 1 of those. I'm sure there's going to be more 009s. Yeah, there's 4 of them, because we're already up to the column of 5. You know, now we're right there. 2, you know, and then you got 010, and we got 5 of those. And we need 1 more, so 0011, 1 more of those. But I'm sure there's more 011s. 012s. And this is 2, 3, 3, 2, if you can memorize that. Yes, so there was 3 3s. Oh, there's 3 3s, and then there's 2 times 3. There's 3 2s. So we got, see how there's 3 right here? That's a total of 3. 3 right there, 3 right there. Now we got 3 2s. But to get our pile of 10, so anyway, let's make some lines. So there's a pile. There's a pile of 10. Pile of 10. Pile of 10. And 9, 10. And then look, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, and then these are just go up the spectrum. Once you get to 4, 14, booyah, kind of asterisk here because the next one, see how this was 11 and this was 11? 9 and 9, 7 and 7. Well, this is a dead stop. And then you go 0.05, brand new number. But guess what? Yeah, there's 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. Now we're in the 2s. 2, 2, 2. So there's got to be 2 of those. 2 of here, 0, 1, 6. And then this is just 0, 1, 7, 0, 1, 8, 0, 1, 9. Here's the asterisk, 0, 2, 1. So we had an asterisk on the 21 because we're going to go 2, 2, 2. These are our 3 2s. And then we go skip, skip. Skip means 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, let's see. Yeah, here was a 2. Here's a skip. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess we do 2 there. But, maybe I changed that up. We'll have to come back to that one. But yeah, that's going to add up to what we want. Oh, I think the asterisk is you just go from 19 to 21. You know what I mean? You went 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This should be 20, but it's actually 21. But this plays. This is 3 sets of 2, 2 skips. Okay, now we got another skip, and then we got to do this jazz. And then, so here's our last column. So this is column, so we have 4, 3, 2. All right, so now we're going to be on our last column. I'm going to we got a lot of these, so I'm just going to go down to here. Here's column 1, and we only have, we have another skip, which means we're just doing 1. So we're going to go 0.022. Now these skips and these values are for how many this increases. Like, these are all individual. We're going to have 10 numbers here. So we're going to have 10 numbers in this one. All right, I got to add more time on the clock. All right, heck yeah. Let's keep plugging. So we have 10 numbers. They're each going to be 1. There's one of this number, but this is how they progress. So we have the skip means we're going to increase by 1, 0, 2, 3, but then we're going to go to 2, 0.025. Now we're going to do 2 1s, so we're going to go, oh, bummer. And I'm kind of messing this up. Yeah, skip means 1. So yeah, we went to that. And then we go up 2. Oh, this should be 0, 2, 4. See, so skip means 1, 2. This means 1, 2. 1, 2. Instead of doing all 2s, you skip. You go 1, 2, and then another 1, 2. But this 1, 2 is another asterisk because it's not. We're not putting 2 of these. Like I said, we got 10 numbers, but we start with this one. You go. Oh shoot. Yeah, you start with 1. So yeah, you're gonna. That's why it should be over here. Let's just do it up here. So you're skipping 1. So here's 1, 0, 2, 2. But now you're gonna go 0, 2, 4. Now you're gonna go back to just 1s. We got 2 of those. So you got 0, 2, 5, 0, 2, 6. Now we go to jumps of 3. No, jumps of 2, and we got 3 of those. 0, 2, 8. 0, 3, 0, 0, 3, 2. Now we've got 2. Now we got jumps of 3, and we got 3 of those. 0.035, 0.038, and 0.041. And you know what I mean? Like these are your targets. 0.041 for sure. You know, 0.021, nice target there. 0.014 target there. So you know, but it all comes down to this. This was pretty simple to do. Now, what does all this mean? It says when you start at log of 1, that's going to equal 0, and then this one is going to be log of 1.1. This one's going to be log of 1.2. So you take 0 plus 0.041. That means log of 1.1 is equal to 0.041. 1.2 is equal to this plus that. So 0.038 plus this is 970. So that's log of 1.2. Log of 1.3 is you take that and then add 3, 5. So you're going to have a 4 there. You're going to crank that up to 8 and then 9, 10, 11. Alright, so log of 1.3 is that number. How about log of 1.4? Oh, and check it out. We already got it. So we wanted log of 12. Well, log of 12 is just log of 10 to the 10, which is 1, plus log of 10 to the 1.2, which we said log of 1.2 is 0.079. So we got 1 plus 0.0. So log of 12 is equal to 1.079. And you have it accurate to 3 decimal places. What more could you want? But there is a caveat. You're going to have a 5% error right here, but it quickly diminishes to a 1% error. You know what I mean? So 5% just right off the bat, you know, right in there. But other than that, all this stuff is 0.0. It's a 0.2% is the max error for all this stuff. You know, not even a 1% error. So this is just screaming accurate. Okay, and I get, and then you can kind of start anywhere. So even if you don't want, you don't have to do all the numbers, because here's your middle points. So let's say you wanted log of 55, you know what I mean? Or just log of 5.5. Because didn't we say log of 55 is the same thing as log of 10 to the 10 plus, you know what I mean? Because this is 10 times 5.5, well guess what? It's 55. And this is 1. So this is 1 plus log to the 5.5. What we're getting at is just right here, you got 2-digit accuracy. So if you have a number, the first 2 significant digits, if you got the number 554, well, you're just going to have to round it to 550. You know what I mean? But you can do that one too. Move the decimal place twice, and this is just log base 10 of 100 plus log base 10 of 5.5. See how you did that? Because you got a multiple of 100. And then this is just 2. So So the log of 554 can't do it, but we can do log of 550 real fast, and that's 2 plus the log of 5.5. All right, hell yeah. Now, but we can do the log of 554 because these are accurate enough. Let's do it. Let's figure out where 5.5 is first. So here's your 5s. You know what I mean? Here's your benchmark right here. Well, let's see. You're going to add these up to get. So here's your log of 9. So this is 9.1. So here's your logs of 5. So this is 5.1, 5.2. So right here is 5. So we're going to start with 0.699. So this is the log of 5.0. And now we want to get down to 5.4. We want the log of 5.5 and the log of 5.6. Because see how 5.54 fits right in between these. So how do we do that? We're gonna start with 0.699, and then we're gonna add 9. And I'm just gonna do this real fast because we got 8. Once we add that this goes up to 70, and then that's it. And then you have a plus another 9. This goes down to 7, and this goes up 1. Add see, so you add 9 once, but now you have to add. Whoa. You only add 9 once, but now you have to add 8 7 times. So 0.708 plus 0.008, that goes to 6, and then 1 and 7. And then you got to do this. So this is 5.1, 5.2. Now we're going to do 5.3 plus another 8. So that's going to be 4, 2, 7. 5.4 is another 8. This is going to be 2, 3, 7. 5.5, another 8, is going to be 407. That was an easy one. Oh, perfect. And then 5.6. 5.6, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, is going to be another 8. Is going to be 0.748. Okay, so we know that 0.740 to 0.748. What's the difference between here? Oh, and we didn't even really need to do this. Well, no, we did, because we had to get at least this one and then this one. And then the difference between here, well, duh, it's 0.008. And there's 10 of these. So our change is actually 0.0008. You know what I mean? You have to divide this by 10. So now we know that 5.54, there's 4 of them. So we go 0.0008 times 4. Ooh, I'm going to mess this up, but it's 32.0032, and then you add that to here. You know what I mean? We're doing this real fast, but that's why we're just kicking this out. I mean, if you're keeping up, excellent. If you're not, who cares? So anyway, so this is going to be 0.7432, and guess what? And we're going to end the video, because we got log of 554. We converted this. We basically said that's the log of 2. I mean, that's just the number 2 plus log base 10 of 5.5. And this is base 10. 5.54. And we said that. We said the log of 5.54 was right here. 0.7432. So we got 2 plus 0.7432. And we got 2.7432. So, hell yeah. So we're getting... You know, and I know there's an extra digit here, but like we said, we wanted to get accurate. We said we couldn't do 554. We had to convert that to 550, but we did. By using linear approximation in between all of our values, we can get an extra significant figure. You know what I mean? Even though this has a lot of digits, you can do any log. I can do log of 1.13 million. Because these 3 digits are significant. You know, you can't do log of 1.03 million. You'll have to round that to 1.10. You know what I mean? You do you. But okay, let's kick it into our calculator. What the hell is the log of 554? And what we find is the log of 554 is 2.7435. And we said it was 2.7432. So what's the... We got to end it pretty fast, but what's the error? Well, we're going to store this as our x, that's for sure, and then this is the what we got. So we do we go x minus 2.7432 divided by x times 100. Our bummer is 0.01 error. Alright, hell yeah, 10 more seconds. So this is actually log 554 in my calculator. This is what we got. What's percent error? It's what we got, what's the actual, minus what we got, divided by what the actual is. And then times 100. Our error is 0.01%. And like I said, everything in this category, error is just super low. Now you do have about 5% right off the bat, but 1% goes pretty fast. So anyway, that's it. I think we're under 20 minutes. Just about 21 minutes, and we did it. Thanks for watching, and that's a video.